dear students. How are you? Are you fine? I hope all are going well. Welcome students to our maths class. Students, what all things we studied in last class? You just say, dividing by repeated subtraction and dividing on the number line. Today, we are going to learn about our new topic, dividing a one-digit number by a one-digit number by short division and long division, and dividing a two-digit number by a one-digit number. Okay, are you ready for the class? Okay, all of you take your text, page number 72. Take your text, page number 72. Are you ready? Okay, our first topic is dividing a one-digit number by a one-digit number by short division. By short division. Example, consider the number 8 divided by 8 divided by 2. 8 divided by 2 equal to 4. 8 divided by 2 equal to 4. Here 8 is the dividend, 2 is the divisor. We got the answer. Answer is 4. 4 is the quotient. Okay. 8 is the dividend, 2 is the divisor, and we got the answer 4. 8 divided by 2, we got the answer 4. 4 is the quotient. Here 8 is the dividend. Okay, and 2 is the divisor, and 4 is the quotient. 4 is the quotient. 8 is the dividend, 2 is the divisor, and 4 is the quotient. Okay, 8 divided by 2 equal to, we got the answer 4. We got answer is the quotient. Answer is the quotient. Okay, this is the dividend and this is the 2 is the divisor. Okay, another example, 6 divided by 3. 6 divided by 3. We got the answer 3 into 3 2s are 6. Okay, 2. Answer is 2. Then 6 is the, here 6 is the dividend. Then 3 is the divisor. 3 is the divisor. And 2 is the quotient. 2 is the quotient. 2 is the quotient. 6 is the dividend and 3 is the divisor and 2 is the quotient. Okay. Can you follow me? Okay. Next one, exercise 1.3. In exercise 1.3, so many questions are there. I will explain some questions. Remains are your homework. Okay. Exercise 1.3. Exercise 1.3. First question is divide and filling the blanks. One has been done for you. Okay. First one, 6 divided by 3. 6 divided by 3. 6 divided by 3. Okay. How many times 3 in 6? Okay. Table of 3. 1 3 3. 2 3s are 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. Okay. How many times? 2 times. Okay. Write 2 is here. Okay. Answer is 2. Answer is 2. Here 6 is the dividend. Dividend is dividend is 6. Divisor is 3. Quotient is the answer. Quotient is 2. Quotient is 2. Okay. Our next question. A. All of you listen here. Don't write it. 8 divided by 4. 8 divided by 4. 8 divided by 4. The table of 4. How many times 8 in 4? How many times? 1 4 4. 2 4s are 8. 2 into 4. 2 into 4. 8. Okay. How many times? In 4. How many times? 2 times. Okay. 2 times. 8 il 4 എത്ര ടൈംസ് ഉണ്ട്? 8 il 4 എത്ര ടൈംസ് ഉണ്ട്? 2 ടൈംസ് അല്ലേ? നമ്മൾ ടേബിൾ 4ൻ്റെ ടേബിൾ നമ്മൾ ചെല്ലി നോക്കുക. അപ്പം എത്ര ടൈംസ് ഉണ്ട്? നമുക്ക് 8 കിട്ടുന്നോടം വരെ നമ്മൾ ചെല്ലി നോക്കുക. ഓക്കെ. 8 എന്ന നമ്പറിൻ്റെ ഉള്ളിൽ കിട്ടുന്നോടം വരെ നമ്മൾ ചെല്ലി നോക്കുക. എന്നിട്ട് അപ്പം 2 into 4. 2 4s are 8. How many times? 2 times ഉണ്ട് അല്ലേ? 2 8ൽ 2 times ഉണ്ട് 4 അല്ലേ? അപ്പം ആൻസർ ഈസ് 2. ഹിയർ dividend is 8. Divisor is 4 and quotient is 2. Quotient is 2. Okay. Write it. Did you finish? Okay. Then second one is 4 divided by 2. 4 divided by 2. Answer is how many times? 2 in 4. How many times? എത്ര ടൈംസ് ഉണ്ട്? 4ൽ 2. 1 2 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 into 2. 4. How many times? 2 times. Okay. Write 2 is here. Okay. Then here dividend is 4 and divisor is 2 and quotient is 2. I will explain one more time. 4 divided by 2. 4 divided by 2 we got the answer 2. 2 2s are 4. Okay. We got the answer 2. Here dividend is 4 and divisor is 2 and quotient is 2. Dividend is 4 and divisor is 2 and quotient is 2. Okay. Write it. Did you finished? Okay. Second one B. C. 9 divided by 3. 9 divided by 3. 9 divided by 3. Okay. We want to table of 3. 1 3 3. 2 3s are 6. 3 3s are 9. 3 into 3. 3 into 3 9. Okay. How many times? 3 times. 3 times. Okay. This is the quotient. Here dividend is 9 and divisor Divisor is 3 and quotient. Quotient is 3. Dividend is 9 and divisor is 3 and quotient is 3. Okay, write it. I will explain one more time. 9 divided by 3 equal to 3 because in 3's table 3 3s are 9. How many times in 3? How many times in 3 in 9? 3 times. Right, 3 is here, 3 is the quotient, dividend is 9 and divisor is 3 and quotient is 3. Okay, write it. Write it. Okay, ready, finished? Okay, and remains are your homework. D and E is your homework. Okay, next one is second one. Second one, divide by short division method and write the multiplication fact for each one has been done for you. Okay, division fact and multiplication fact. We are already learned this topic, division fact and multiplication fact. Division fact and multiplication fact. Division fact and multiplication fact. I will explain A and B only. Remains are your homework. Okay, A and B only and remains are your homework. 8 divided by 2 and 6 divided by 2. Okay, 8 divided by 2. 1 to 2, 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8. How many times? 4 times and then 6. 6 divided by 2. 1 to 2, 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6. 3 times. Multiplication fact. Okay. 2 into 4. 2 into 4. 8. 2 4s are 8. Then change the order. 4 into 2. 4 2s are 8. Then here 6 divided by 2 equal to 3. 6 divided by 2 equal to 3. Then 2 into 3. 2 3s are 6 and 3 2s are 6. Okay, write it. Write it. Okay, ready, finished? Okay. Dear students, remains are your homework. Remains are your homework. C, D and E. Then our next topic is dividing a one-digit number dividing a one-digit number by a one-digit number by long division. Dividing a one-digit number by a one-digit number by long division. Okay. One example for you. Example 1. Divide 5 by 2. Divide divide 5 by 2. How to solve this? How to solve this? Okay, all of you listen here. 5 divided by 2. All of you listen here. Firstly, all of you listen here. 5 divided by 2. Right. 5 is here. Then divided by. Okay. 5 divided by 2. Okay. Right here. 6 divided by 2. 3 divided by 2. 4 divided by 2. Write this like. Okay. 5 divided by 2. Write 5 is here. Write 2 is here. Okay. Then how many times in 2 in 5? How many times? Okay. In table of 2, 1 to 2, 2 twos are 4, 3 twos are 6. 3 twos are 6. How many times? 2 twos are 4, 3 twos are 6. Okay. You want to only this. Okay. 5 എന്ന നമ്പറിൻ്റെ ഉള്ളിൽ മാത്രം മതി അല്ലേ? ഓക്കെ. 5നേക്കാളുള്ള കൂടുതൽ ഉള്ള നമ്പർ വേണ്ട. ഓക്കെ. 2 ടൈംസ്. ഓക്കെ. 2 ടൈംസ്. ഓക്കെ. 2. Then write 2 is in the ones place. Okay. Here. Write 2 is here. Then 2 into 2. 2 into 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 twos are 4. Then division is repeated subtraction. Subtract 5 from 4. 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4. 1. Okay. 2 is the answer. Here 2 is the answer. 2 is the quotient. 2 is the quotient. 2 is the quotient and 5 is the dividend and 2 is the divisor. 2 is the divisor and 1 is the remainder. Balance is 1 and 1 is the remainder. Okay. I will explain one more time. 5 divided by 2. 5 divided by 2. 5 divided by 2. Okay. Write 5 is here. Write 2 is here. Okay. How many times 2 in 5? How many times? 1 to 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 times. Only 2 times. Okay. Write 2 is here. Then multiply 2 into 4. 2 into 2. 2 into 2. 2 twos are 4. We got the answer 4. Write 4 is here. Okay. Write 4 is here. Okay. Then we subtract 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4. We got the answer 5. Okay. 5 minus 4. We got the answer. Sorry. We got the answer 1. Okay. Here 1 is the remainder. 5 is the dividend. 2 is the divisor and 2 is the quotient. Okay. Did you understand this? Okay. Then next one. This method is the long division. 7 minus 3. 7 7 divided by 3. 7 divided by 3. 7 divided by 3. 7 divided by 7 by 3. Okay. 7 divided by 3. Okay. How many times in 3? 3 in 7. How many times? Okay. 1 3 3. 2 3s are 2 into 3. 2 3s are 6. 3 3s are 9. Okay. How many times? 2 times. Okay. Write 2 is here. Write 2 is here. Then 2 into 3. 2 3s are 2 3s are 2 3s are 6. Okay. Then subtract 7 minus 6. 7 minus 6, 1. 7 minus 6, you got the answer 1. Here 2 is the okay, good, quotient. And here 1 is the 1 is the remainder. Here 7 is the dividend or divisor. 7 is the dividend or divisor. 7 is the dividend. And 3 is the divisor. Okay. Okay, good. 3 is the divisor. Okay. Okay. Then exercise 1.4. Exercise 1.4. In exercise 1.4, so many questions are there. I will explain some 1 or 2 questions. Remains your homework. Exercise 1.4. Divide and fill in the blanks. A. 7 divided by 2 and B 3 divided by 3 divided by 3. Okay. 7 divided by 2 in 2 steps. 1 to 2, 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. Okay. How many times in 2? 3 times. Play. 3 into 2, 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6. We subtract 7 minus 6, 7 minus 6, 1. Okay. Here dividend is 7 and divisor is 2 and remainder is 1. 7 is the dividend and 2 is the divisor and 7 is the dividend, 2 is the divisor and 3 is the quotient, 1 is the remainder. Remainder is 1. Quotient is 3. Quotient is 3. Okay. Dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder. Dividend is 7 and divisor is 2 and quotient is 3 and remainder is 1. Okay. Okay. Then next one, B. Write in your text. Did you finish? Okay. Then B, 3 divided by 3. B, 3 divided by 3. How many times in 3? In 3? Only one time. 1 into 3, 3. 1 into 3, 3. 3 minus 3, 0. Here, dividend is Dividend is 3 and divisor is 3 and quotient is 1 and remainder is remainder is 0. Okay, this is the dividend and this is the divisor and this is the quotient and this is the remainder. Okay, write it. Did you finish? Okay. Okay, next one. Next one. See. 9 divided by 4. 9 divided by 4. Okay. 9 divided by 4. How many times in 4 in 9? How many times? You just say in 4 table of 4, 1 for 4, 2 4s are 8. 2 into 4, 2 4s are 2 4s are 8. 3 4s are 12. Okay. How many times? How many times? 2 times. Okay. Write 2 is here. 2 into 4. 2 4s are 8. Then subtract 9 minus 8. 9 minus 8? Okay. Answer is 1. Sorry. Remainder is 1. Okay. I will explain one more time. 9 divided by 4. 9 divided by 4. Okay. How many times in 4 in 9? How many times? In 2's table, 1 to 2, 1 for 4, 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8. How many times? Only 2 times. Only 2 times. Okay. Then, write 2 is here. 2 into 4. 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8. Okay. 9 minus 8. 1. Okay, we are already learned division is repeated. Division is repeated. Subtraction division is repeated subtraction. Okay, write dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder. Write it. Okay. Here dividend is 9 and divisor is good. Divisor is for quotient. Quotient is 2 and remainder is 1. How many persons would they answer this? Please raise your hands. How many persons get the answer? Okay, good. 9 is the divisor, 4 is the, 9 is the dividend and 4 is the divisor and 2 is the quotient and 1 is the remainder. Okay. 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 Write it. Write it. Did you finish? Okay. Dear students, today's topic is over. If you have any doubt in this topic, please ask me. Okay, thank you.